Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. You may call me Miss Introvert, and today we are going to be reading book 6 of The Warrior Girl. We are already on book 6 and about done with the series. This is like, I think, the second to last book, and then we have book 7, and then we have, I think, like another 5-book series that's also connected to this, and another 3-book series that's also connected to this. Yes, my 9 to 12-year-old career was very busy. I mean, they're short books, and they have ambiguous plot details, but whatever. Here is the cover. We have Black Shadow kind of facing off against this person. There's kind of like a barrier between them, and it seems like Paulina is in the middle of it. And the last one ended on a cliffhanger. If you want to find out what happened in the rest of the series, if you're new here and you click on this video for no reason, then go ahead and click that card right there. Look at my cursive handwriting. Oh, I forgot the I. It says The Warrior Girl. Famous coming soon page for book 7. She looks so pretty. I wonder why she's glowing. We don't know. And then we have another title page that says The Warrior Girl because I forgot the I. So here we go. Fancy word box to catch us up in case you don't remember what happened. Introduction. There once was a girl who saved other girls. They had many more adventures together. In this story, wait, did you know that Black Shadow had a sister? Well, he always had a sister. Why am I revealing these plot details in the most mundane way? It's like, wait, did you know that Black Shadow had a sister? Oh, well, he's always had one. Why don't I use them in like dramatic like climaxes? Oh well. You just didn't know because I didn't tell you. Yeah. Well, our fantastic friend meets another powerful person. This story is about how your heart can express its beauty. Okay, so we have a theme, we have a moral, that's awesome. Ooh, look at how much text is in the first chapter. That's a lot of text. There just wasn't a lot of text in like the first few. There's just like maybe like 3 lines. Chapter 1. Paulina sat on her bed feeling silly about how she didn't save the kingdom. Everyone was dependent on her. People from far and wide were fearing Black Shadow's cruel powers. He was the one who made the sea monster come and the witch. He also has a sister. Now you don't know if she's good or bad. You'll learn more about her in the story. People in the kingdom of Bala were having the most trouble with Black Shadow, so Paulina decided to go save them from Black Shadow's evil ways. He didn't like that no people were following him, like in the last story. He longed for his old friend, Dark Shadow. Did he kill him? Why does he want his old friend to be killed him? He wanted his power, but there was no way to make it. So he wants his power, not his old friend. That's what a bad guy would want. So here we have a split shot of what's going on in Paulina's world and what's going on in Dark Shadow's world. So he decided to work on it. Okay, I guess he's gonna make his power. Chapter 2. Dark Shadow, Black Shadow's friend, left his secret in a chest where his room used to be. So I guess the secret formula for making his power, which can do a lot of things like turn money into ravens and force people to drink potions. Paulina made it to Dark Shadow's room just in time. She climbed through his window and grabbed the script right out when Black Shadow was about to open the door. She climbed out of the window and went into a bubble transport back to her kingdom and destroyed the script. That way they would never work. Okay, what if you wanted to use the script though? Use it to your advantage, unless it would make her bad. Maybe she wants to like destroy the evil forever. Black Shadow decided to make his own script of his own powers. So here we have Paulina. She looks kind of crazy as she's burning the script. She's like, no, I'll never have evil again. It's probably traumatic for her turning bad like that and then almost killing somebody. I don't think she likes killing people. She's a good guy. So I guess she got to the lair before Black Shadow did as well, which is weird. I don't know how she was privy to that knowledge, but she was. Black Shadow angrily wrote his script, fearing that his sister would be coming. Chapter 3. Beauty Light was Black Shadow's sister. She was beautiful with her long flowing hair and beautiful clothing. In fact, she had come... Hello? Oh, there's no more writing! Okay, I guess I forgot 2 pages. She came to help Paulina stop Black Shadow's plans. It says planes and not plans. She lived up in the clouds. Black Shadow lived underground, and he could never fly up to where she lived. He didn't have as much power as the good did. A shining light flew from the clouds to help Paulina. Beauty Light appeared with graceful flying. So here she is with her physically impossible hairdo and crown, I guess. Chapter 4. Beauty Light came gracefully down from the clouds. She flew into Paulina's window. Paulina was sewing a sampler. Okay. I actually had to look up what a sampler was. It's a piece of embroidery work in various stitches as a specimen of skill, typically containing the alphabet and some mottos. So yeah, she was sewing a sampler, and I didn't know what that was now, a few days ago when I recorded this, and I knew what it was when I was like 10. That's fun. She saw the glowing light. Black Shadow had a shadow to get ready to appear, and his sister had a light, so I guess they're already prepared for each other. She peacefully appeared in front of Paulina so she wouldn't get startled. She told her about how Black Shadow had been making a new potion other than Dark Shadows. She and Paulina gathered Susan and Cindy. They went to go see Black Shadow and broke his potions. Black Shadow was, rightly so, very angry. This is the second time they've done this. And then there's a picture how happy they are while doing this. So Black Shadow's over here in the corner, like, I guess it's like a side view. One of Susan and Cindy right here, and then Beauty Light, and then Paulina. They're breaking all this stuff. Oh yeah, there's Cindy. Her little head is popping up right there. It does not look human. We have another picture in the same chapter. He had a bit of his potion left that had his sister. I think I meant like had wounded his sister. So now she's been wounded. Oh no, Beauty Light. Chapter 5. The girls took Beauty Light back to the kingdom without killing Black Shadow. She woke up a bit, pointing out that their dragon friend had died. Cindy started to cry. What? The dragon? How did she know that? Susan told her he was too old to stay hiding her tears. Susan, you can cry. Beauty Light told her that she had been the best hero. She gave all the present with her last powers. I think it says she gave them all a present with her last powers. She gave Cindy a book that was about the dragon. She gave Susan a locket necklace, and she gave the dragon something. She gave him a free land in the heavens for him. Aw, that's nice. So I guess it's everything he likes. Beauty Light, she's all better now for some reason, giving them each gifts. Then she gave Paulina, save the MC, best for last, the gift of shining like her mother so everyone would know that she was a hero. Then she fell into her forever sleep. So now she's dead. She just gave up her life for Paulina because I guess she has faith in her. Oh yeah! Her, Paulina's mom had wings and she glowed. I wonder if they're like the same, they have like the same power? I don't know. Oh, is that it? That's it. The end. Teasing the next book, which has Paulina coming out of some kind of door, and she's all glowy. Yay, glowy! And then we have a picture, also teasing the next book, with the mirror with my same sign of the logo, and then like a traced picture of Paulina. So, yeah. That is the end, my dudes. Another cliffhanger, I guess. Black Shadow's not dead. I guess we'll have to see what happens in the last book. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video to help grow our introverted writing community. It would really benefit my channel. Well, that's all for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, check out my blog, and find the writing help you need on my Fiverr account. All the links will be in the description below. And stay basic. Okay, bye! And comment down below your theories.